Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 4.2 and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key, and when you see the power off option, instead of tapping on it, you want to hold it. So once you hold it for about 1 or 2 seconds, you will see this message up here, reboot to safe mode, confirm it by tapping on OK, and the device will now power off and then back on. And once it's back on, we should see a safe mode message right here in the bottom left corner of the device. So let's wait for that to actually appear. And you can see it right here, safe mode. So now only the essential apps will work in here. So basically every app that has come pre-installed with the device, and stuff like apps that you have downloaded yourself will be in a way disabled, so they cannot interfere with the system. And this mode is specifically designed to basically see if you have some kind of malfunctioning with your device, if it's caused by the device itself and some hardware malfunction, or if it's just some kind of malware that is screwing with the device itself. So that's how you'd access it, and once you're ready and you want to leave it, all you need to do now is hold power key and select restart, and when the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And you can see that the message is gone and the device is back in the normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.